Next Wave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our Shark CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a Shark. Assembly Video Series: How to open and unpack an HD series Shark CNC. In this video, we will show you how safely to unbox your new HD series Shark machine, both base and gantry. You will need 2 people to safely unpack and assemble your new HD series Shark. We suggest starting by placing the base shipping box on a table designed to support approximately 300 pounds. First, carefully use a knife to cut through the tape on all tape joints and completely open all sides of the box, cutting the security tape to expose foam packing. Next, remove all foam packing from around the base. Then remove base side panels located under base and the envelope containing hardware and set aside. Carefully slide the cardboard from under base. The base unboxing is complete. How to unpack the gantry. Place the box containing the gantry on the table. Carefully use a knife to cut through the tape on all tape joints and completely open all sides of the box. Next, remove all boxes containing parts and fasteners for assembly. Set aside. Remove top piece of foam only and then steady the gantry. Remove bottom piece of cardboard. While supporting gantry, remove the balance of all foam. Set gantry aside. Place base back on the table. Open both boxes containing necessary hardware. Carefully lay out all parts and components and compare to the enclosed instruction sheet part list before beginning assembly. You are now ready to complete the assembly of your new Next Wave CNC Shark HD Series machine. All Next Wave CNC products include lifetime support. Should you have any questions, email us at support@nextwavecnc.com. Shark. World class, made in USA.